Hey, this is VA Corey, your VA Loan Resource Hub, and today we are going to take a deep dive into the 2024 VA loan eligibility requirements. Let's get started. First, let's talk about who's eligible for a VA loan. In 2024, the VA loan program continues to provide benefits for active duty service members, veterans, members of the National Guard and Reserves, and certain surviving spouses. Now remember, the length of your service or your service commitment and or duty may determine your eligibility. Now let's do a quick breakdown regarding those service requirements. For veterans, you generally need to have served at least 90 consecutive days during wartime or 181 days during peacetime. Now for those of you who are in the reserves or the National Guard, the requirement is typically 6 years of service. And if you're a surviving spouse, you may be eligible if your partner died in the line of duty or from a service-related disability. Now, to apply for a VA loan, you're going to need a Certificate of Eligibility, or a COE. This document verifies to lenders that you meet the necessary service requirements that we just discussed. And the COE also contains information about how much entitlement you have remaining. For most veterans, this is a relatively easy step. Your lender can typically pull the COE with only your Social Security number and your date of birth, or you can provide them with your DD-214. Now, in some cases, the process may be a little bit more complex. However, the important piece of information to know is that you don't need a COE before applying for a VA loan. If you happen to fall into one of those complex categories, two other ways you can obtain your COE include, number one, applying online through VA's e-benefits portal, and number two, applying by mail with VA Form 26-1880. Now, VA loans are known for their significant benefits, including no down payment requirement, no private mortgage insurance, limited closing cost, and competitive interest rates. Now, these features make home buying more accessible and affordable for those of you who have served our country. Now, why the VA doesn't set a minimum credit score, you need to know that lenders typically do. In 2024, most lenders are going to look for a score of at least 620. Additionally, lenders will consider your debt-to-income ratio, employment history, and income to ensure that you can comfortably manage your mortgage payment. Now, it's important to note that there are some updates in 2024. Nationally, as an example, VA loan limits received a massive increase. The standard VA limit in 2024 has risen to $766,550 for most U.S. counties. And for those counties that are considered high-cost counties, it's topped out at $1,149,825 for a single-family home. Now, VA loan limits, you need to know, don't represent a cap or a max loan amount, so don't be thinking that. VA veterans with their full entitlement can get a VA loan for as much as a lender will give them without a down payment. However, if a veteran has one or more active VA loans or has defaulted on a previous VA loan, they will encounter limits, which will determine what their zero down payment power can be. Now, staying informed about these changes can help you smoothly navigate the application process. Well, that covers the essentials of VA loan eligibility for 2024. If you are considering a VA loan, I'm here to help you to explore those options and to answer any questions that you might have. Feel free to reach out or to leave your questions in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and a special thank you to our service members and veterans for your dedication and service. See you in the next video.